On page 146, in how many ways can 4 red, 3 yellow, and 2 green discs can be arranged in a row if the discs of some color are indistinguishable? So that means कि we have to arrange the discs in a row. आपको इस बात का ध्यान रखना है कि the same two colors can be indistinguishable. So that means first I have to find out the total number of discs with me. This is 4 plus C, 7 plus 2, 9. So therefore, number of ways can be arranged this is equal to 9 factorial upon number of time the color is repeating. Red is repeating 4 times, yellow is repeating 3 times, and green is repeating 2 times. So that means it is 4 factorial, 3 factorial, and 2 factorial, which is equal to 9 is to 8 is to 7 is to 6 is to 5 is to 4 factorial over 4 factorial is to 3 is to 2 is to 2 is to 1. So 4 factorial goes with 4 factorial, 3 is to 2, 6, 6 goes with this, and 2 is to 4, this is 8. So 9 is to 4, this is 36, 7 is to 5, this is 35. So 36 is to 35, this is equal to 1260 ways. These are the ways by which I can arrange the discs in a row such that the color is indistinguishable. I hope this is clear. If you have any problem in this understanding in this question, please let me know. Otherwise, please note it down so that I can go to the next example. Please let me know after noting it down so that I can clear the screen. Disha Gupta raised the hand. Disha Gupta, either speak or write on the chat. Whichever is the concern with you people, please speak through microphone or write on the chat. Yes, ask the question. Disha is saying I don't have the doubt, but I have a question. Please ask the question. Okay, syllabus of the subjective test in this week. We have a subjective test in this week in so I feel complex number and permutation, will it be fine? Perfect. So I will include complex number and quadratic equation, and second is permutation in the coming subjective test. Permutation and quadratic. So clear. Now come to the next example, example 16. On page 147. This is a long example. It has 4 parts. So please try to understand it carefully. Find the number of arrangements of the letter. So I have to find out number of arrangements. Number of arrangements by using given conditions. We have 4 parts, 4 different conditions are given to us. By using given condition. Find the number of arrangements of the letter of the word independence. The letter is I, N, D, E, P, E, N, D, E, N, C, E. This is independence. In how many these arrangements? Number 1, do the words start with P? The first thing is I have to find out the number of arrangement of this word independence when the word starts with P. When the word starts with P. अब जरा देखिए ध्यान से, हमारे पास जो पहली पोजीशन है वो फिक्स्ड है, वहां पे P ही आना चाहिए और कोई चीज नहीं आनी चाहिए. तो सबसे पहले तो भी मैं ये देखूं what I have to see in this independence what is the repetition of the letters. अब जरा ध्यान देना, इस तरफ आइए. repetition of letters में I, so 1, I comes 1 only. Now N, this is 1, 2, 3. N is repeating 3 times. Now D, this is 1, this is 2. D is repeating 2 times. Then E, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. E is repeating 4 times. Now P, it comes single time. So total number of words with me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So N is equal to 12. Out of these 12, these are the repeating things. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 3, 9, 10, 11 and one more word. One more word must be there. P, then E we have counted, N we have counted, D we have counted, E we have counted, C we have not counted. So C also comes once. Now out of these 12 words, okay, out of these 12 words, I have fixed the place, first place as a P. तो मैंने पहली प्लेस आपको फिक्स कर दी. तो बाकी मेरे पास कितनी प्लेसेस बच गई? बाकी मेरे पास जो बच गई वो सिर्फ बच गई 11 प्लेसेस. तो 11 प्लेसेस को मैं 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and P is 12. So these 11 places, now after fixing the place of P as first, rest of 11 places can be arranged in. अब देखिए आपके पास n अब कितना रह गया यहाँ पे 11. So that means this is 11 factorial divided by, अब इन 11 में से how many things are repeating? Now see, n is repeating 3 times, so I have to divide it by 3 factorial. D is repeating 2 times, I have to divide it by 2 factorial. And E is repeating 4 times, I have to divide it by 4 factorial. So total number of places are here 11. Out of 11, how many are repeating? We are dividing with that. So this is equal to 11 is to 10 is to 9 is to 8, 7, 6, 5 and 4 factorial. In the denominator we have 3 is to 2 is to 1, 2 factorial, this is 2 is to 1, and then 4 factorial. Now 4 factorial goes with this. 3 is to 2, 6, 6 goes with this. 2 is to 4, 8. So this is 11 is to, this is 110. 9 is to 4, this is 36. 7 is to 5, this is 35. So when you will multiply all, this will be 138600. These are the number of ways by which I can arrange the words. That means I can get 1,38,600 words by fixing the place of P as a first and by rearranging rest of the 11 digits, 11 alphabets. Clear? So these are the number of ways. This is the first part of the question. Please note it down. Then I can start. Then I will start with the next. Please let me know if anybody has any doubt. Now, come to the next question. Second part of this question. This is the first part. Second part of this. Do all the vowels always together? अब देखिए, how many vowels are there? First we will find out. I is a vowel. E is a vowel. 2, 3, 4. 4 E's are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I. N is not a vowel. D is not a vowel. P is not a vowel. N is D, N, C. No, there is no other vowel. So that means 5 letters are there, and I'm going to take these 5 letters as a single letter. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total are 12. So 7 are the rest of the letters with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are rest of the letter, and I am going to treat it as a single letter. So total number of letters now with me are 8. So when I will take all vowels together. Under those circumstances, total number of letters with me are 8. And out of these 8, how many are repeating except E? D is repeating twice and N is repeating thrice. So what I will write, number of time we can get the words when all vowels are together. This is 8 factorial because total number of words are 8, and out of 8 how many are repeating? I have N, it is repeating thrice, and I have D, it is repeating twice. I will not divide it by E's. So by, because I am going to take it as a single word. I, E को पांचों को मैं single word treat कर रहा हूँ because he is saying all the vowels together. So all the vowels together are I am treating it as a single word. So this is equal to 8 is to 7 is to 6 is to 5 is to 4 is to 3 factorial. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 upon 3 factorial is to 2 is to 1. So 3 factorial goes with 3 factorial. 2 goes with this 2. So it is 8 is to 7 is to 6 is to 5 is to 2. तो एक तो ये आ गया अभी. Now the next chance is of the vowels. I am going to treat it as a single word. So total number of letters in this is 5. And out of 5, E's are repeating 4 times. So I have to multiply it because within the letter I can rearrange them. This E can come first, I will go at the last, I can go to the second last, I can go to the third last, and so on. So we have to multiply it with 5 factorial. Why 5 factorial? Because there are 4 E and 1 I. 4 plus 1, 5. Divided by 4 factorial. Why? Because E is repeating 4 times in this letter. So this will be is equal to 8 is to 7 is to 6 is to 5 is to 2, 10 is to 5 is to 4 factorial divided by 4 factorial it goes. So this is 8 is to 7, 56. 56 is to 6 is to 50. So this is 56 is to 300, which is equal to 16800. This is my final answer. Please note it down so that we will move to the third part of this question. Okay, Disha is saying she has noted. I feel rest of the students are also noted. Anyone who has not noted, please let me know. Otherwise, I am going to clean it. Who is in the process of noted? Perfect. So chaliye come to the next part. Third, do the vowels never occur together? So under these circumstances, do the vowels never occur together? What we will do? Total number of possibilities minus when the vowels occur together. This we have calculated in the second part. This we will calculate total number of possibilities. What it means when n is 12, that means 12 factorial divided by how many times the things are repeating. N is repeating 3 times, D is repeating 4 times, E is repeating D is repeating 2 times, and E is repeating 4 times, minus when the vowels are occurring together. Vowels are occurring together. In the second part we have calculated the answer 16800, that we have already calculated. So what we will do, we will solve it. 12 factorial, this is 12 is to 11 is to 10 is to 9 is to 8 is to 7 is to 6 is to 5 is to 4 factorial. So that means 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 divided by 3 is to 2, 2 is to 1 is to 4 factorial. 4 factorial goes with 4 factorial. So this is 3 is to 2, it is 6. 2, it will go with this is 4. So this is 12 is to 11 is to 10, 110. 9 is to 4, 36. 7 is to 5, 35. Minus 16800. So this is equal to 1663200 minus 16800. The final answer is 1646400. This is the final answer. That means we will get these much of words when vowels are together. Now, please try to understand the fourth part also, because the period is going to be over. Then please note it down. You have a break of 10 minutes, after that 5 minutes. In the fourth part, do the words begin with I and end with P? अब बड़ा आसान सा है, उसने पहला प्लेस फिक्स कर दिया I के लिए और लास्ट प्लेस फिक्स कर दिया P के लिए. And we know that we have only one I and we have only one P. So rest of the words can repeat which are in between. So that means how many words will be in between? 11, 10. Because 10 plus 1, 11, plus 1, 12, total is 12. So that means 2 are fixed. So I'm going to leave these 2. I is fixed and P is fixed. Rest of the number, now with me, N is 10. So which implies it will be 10 factorial divided by, how many are repeating between 10? N is repeating, D is repeating, E is repeating. So this will be 3 factorial, 2 factorial, 4 factorial. So which is equal to 10 is to 9 is to 8 is to 7 is to 6 is to 5 is to 4 factorial. This is 3 is to 2, 2 is to 4 factorial. 4 factorial goes with this. 3 is to 2, 6, cancel. 2, it will go with 4. So 9 is to 3, 9 is to 4, 36. 36 is to 10, 360. Multiply by 7 is to 5, this is 35. So this is 12600 way. So these many words we can get when the place I and place P is fixed. Please note it down. Now, there are 5 questions left of exercise 7.3. Rest we have given to you as a homework. So please finish exercise 7.3. After taking the doubts from this exercise tomorrow, I will start the combination. Fine. So doubts, homework is from 8 to 11 questions of exercise 7.3. This is homework. Thank you, beta. Thank you. Please note it down, because rest of the questions are same as that given in the exercise. There is nothing changed. Perfect. Raj, that's good. Okay. The Sheikh has noted. So okay, have a nice day. I hope rest of the students are also noted. So anybody still who is noting down, please let me know. Otherwise, I'm going to wind it up. So that means everyone has noted. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you very much. Take care.